Good morning, this is Ricky, Bournemouth Jet Washing. Back on the tools today after a little break. Today we're cleaning this house. We've got 3 sides to do today. Not too bad this side. But over here, very green indeed. This is painted render. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. But it's in a right old state. Hey, look at that there, look. See? One of the easier renders to clean. Okay, I thought I'd show you a little sample of the cleaning. Obviously we're doing this on all the building, but this is the sample. Couple of sample patches done there. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next job.